Chess fans who don't have a strong local chess scene nearby might soon have a very interesting alternative sitting right on their desk. A new device called SenseRobot Chess Mini is trying to bring back the feeling of real over-the-board chess while mixing it with modern AI technology. Instead of staring at a screen and clicking pieces with a mouse, this setup gives players a physical chessboard, moving pieces, and an experience that feels much closer to a real match. The creators say the goal is to bring back the soul of chess by combining traditional gameplay with advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. The board uses camera vision technology along with AI decision-making systems to track every move and react in real time. Whether you're completely new to chess or already a strong player, the system is designed to adapt to your skill level with 19 different difficulty settings based on the ELO rating system used in competitive chess. One of the biggest highlights is the robotic movement itself. The SenseRobot Chess Mini features dual robotic arms with 3-finger grips that physically move the chess pieces around the board. The company says the movement is extremely precise and smooth, almost like playing against a real human opponent sitting across from you. The AI camera system constantly scans the board and reportedly reaches 99.9% accuracy when detecting piece positions and movement. For anyone worried about privacy, the company says the camera system does not use facial recognition and doesn't record or upload personal data. It focuses only on tracking the chessboard and gameplay. The system also connects with a companion app that tracks your matches, analyzes mistakes, and helps identify areas where you can improve. Players can even connect with friends or random opponents online, and the board supports syncing with popular platforms like chess.com and Lichess through Chess Connect integration. New players are getting a lot of support here too. The robot includes dozens of lessons and more than 1,200 training exercises, covering everything from beginner tactics to advanced strategies. There are guided AI scenarios inspired by real matches, plus over 100 famous historical games that the robot can replay move by move on the board, while explaining what's happening through voice narration. At any moment, you can jump in and take over the game yourself against the AI. Another interesting feature is the built-in large language model that allows the robot to actually talk with players during games. It can explain strategies, answer questions, and even make casual conversation in English, French, and German. So while you're practicing chess, you could also end up brushing up on another language at the same time. Players can start matches from custom board positions to test specific strategies or difficult scenarios. And whenever you get stuck, the robot can act like a coach by suggesting ideas, explaining tactical concepts, and guiding you through complicated positions with real-time voice feedback. The system even supports custom 3D printed chess pieces, which opens the door for collectors and creative players who want personalized sets instead of standard pieces. That's a pretty cool touch considering how popular unique chess set designs have become over the years. Size-wise, the SenseRobot Chess Mini is about as portable as a 13-inch laptop, making it easy to carry around for games outside the house. Whether you want to play at a cafe, a club, or while traveling, it's built to move with you. Right now, the SenseRobot Chess Mini is being launched through Kickstarter with an early pledge price of around $399, while the expected retail price is listed at $699. The company says shipping is planned for July, assuming production and funding goals are completed successfully.